In winter, I look for nature's inspiration everywhere I can. The ocean is only a few hours' drive for us, so we often trek there on mild winter weekends. It provides plenty of raw material for awe hunting and gathering, and the winter sun feels stronger here. Only awe is strong enough of an emotion to overcome both apathy and anxiety, two states of mind the human heart must continually battle. I gather up as much awe as I can and let it do its powerful work on my spirit. It pulls my mind toward the transcendent and helps me remember I am part of something far greater than just what I can see. The starfish are a rare sighting for this stretch of beach. The extra low tide is allowing even more of a glimpse of the glory of the ocean and its inhabitants, and gives this beach walk an especially expansive feel. We like to travel and camp in our vans so we can experience as much of nature as possible, and this campground near the beach offers much in the way of peaceful views and extensive walking trails for exploring. And it's close enough to some of our favorite restaurants so as to be truly relaxing. I return home with a full store of awe, and I'm inspired to connect with the earth even more, so I begin to prepare my beds for spring planting. I hook our utility trailer to my Jeep and head out for our local county compost center for the first load of the season. It's a bit early to lay compost, but I am betting on the fact that it will be warm enough to plant in about a month. I like to let this particular compost mellow for about that long before I plant in it, as it tends to have a higher carbon to nitrogen ratio than some of the other more expensive composts. At just $20 per cubic yard, this is the most affordable, high-quality organic compost in our area. I begin the bed preparation by cutting down all dead growth from the perennials such as lemon balm, yarrow, and comfrey, and will either add it to the compost pile or let it compost in place. I then blow all the leaves into the beds from the mulched paths and pull up any weeds. Our pet bunny Harvey loves to snack on these. My dwarf mulberry tree is ready for its first pruning, so I carefully trim all the low-growing side branches below the main fork of the trunk. Winter is the best time to prune while the tree is dormant. I also remove any branches that are crossing each other and spindly branches growing directly on the trunk below the main fork. The process of pruning can be called calming a tree. It removes the chaos of unwieldy branching that saps energy from the tree's ability to produce fruit. Shoveling compost is a fantastic whole-body workout. I love to watch the steam rise from its uncanny heat, so unexpected. This is another reminder to me that this compost needs to mellow. That heat could potentially burn a young seedling, but after a few weeks, it should be perfect. I spread the compost directly on top of the leaves and any other organic matter in the beds. There's no need to till, as that process can actually harm a healthy soil by breaking apart the crucial fungal networks underground. These beds have never been tilled, and I am careful to disrupt them as little as possible. By seeking to copy what the forest does, I can create the most sustainable and efficient garden system right in my yard. One garden chore that is much easier in soft winter soil is removing the tenacious Bermuda grass runners that can choke out a garden bed. Rather than using a harmful herbicide like Roundup, I pull it by hand, tracing it back to the main root bundle. A Hori knife is my favorite garden tool and allows me also to cut through the mat of dead thyme here so that it will be encouraged to put out new growth in the spring. I also apply more compost here by hand on the slope, gently patting it into place directly over the decaying plant matter in this area. The dark compost will break it down even more quickly and also gives a nice finished look to the front bed garden. The blueberry bushes are needing some attention by this point in the year. It's the best time to take care of their water spouts, straight shooting branches that seem to come right up from the soil, but actually are connected to the bush below the point that will be fruitful. By trimming these as low as possible, the bush will put more energy into fruit production, and I also trim off any dead or crossing branches. What a gift garden care is. Moving outdoors in the open air, feeling the sun, handling the soil, and interacting with the process of life beneath my feet, a sense of wellness settles into my mind, body, and spirit. There is a childlike curiosity within me here that energizes my will. I am an unabashed awe addict, and each hit of this potent emotion enables me to overcome the anxiety and apathy that can often dog my steps. In the garden, I feel deeply grateful and profoundly significant. I am an earth steward, as are you. All the creatures depend on Earth's provision, and participating in that care is a privilege. I discovered a national treasure this week, the National Gardening Bureau. Check out their website for all sorts of resources that will inspire you to grow a garden of your own.